Now, in the previous one, I said to you of a super ferry incident. It was close to the Philippines. Um, they took 8 pounds of TNT to actually sink that super ferry, the ship of 10,000 tons. Now, you have to put this in relative terms because when you go on a cruise ship, normally you're allowed about 100 pounds of luggage to go with you, which is substantial. And therefore, it is very easy if you can get, more explosives on board, then obviously you can cause a lot of problems. But it's not always like that. Sometimes the crew does actually fight back with fires. I think of this USS Cole. Now, you remember USS Cole was right in the beginning, I think 2001, around about there. Speaking on a correction, even though it's in this book as well. When the USS Cole was the use of a rubber dog filled with explosives, of course, a lot of explosives, and it just basically rammed the ship and it exploded. And they fought the fires and water intake and everything for about 3 days and nights, all the time to save their ship, and they did well. Do we have the same type of US Navy today that we had 25 years ago? You should read American Military Might Debunked. It's a book which I wrote in 2017 already, but it's updated here and there. And what happened is by that time I've already written 3 dozen books on this subject. And what came out in the research and what the debriefings we've done and the things we've seen, we started rating the US military very low. And I still rate them low. I wrote them as low as a third world. What example will I use? I wanted to say Uganda Army, but Uganda Army is better than them actually. But they're really not good. They're extremely well equipped most of the time. And they're high tech and so, but they are useless. Totally useless. And I started warning in that book what's going to happen, and which is actually, in fact, right now happening in Iran as well. They're going to flee there. You're going to see they're going to run away. They lost against the Houthis as well, and they had to run away there, the US Navy. And they don't dare to come actually close to Iran. They have to run away there too. So you try and get to China. You try and go and attack China, US Navy. I would love to see that happening. I'd love to see what's going to happen.